simply tell Hopted AI what you need in a plain language. Just describe your basically business problem, your end goal,
Hmm.
and the main attributes you'd like to see. It's easy, it's like as 1, 2, 3. Basically, Hopted AI will build ready-to-use views filled with information uh, as you describe it. So let me just copy and paste. I've prepared some text
Hmm.
over here. Let me just copy and paste it. Yeah, and I'll hit this button, send instructions,
Hmm.
and currently instructions are sent to Hopted. So at this point, it works asynchronously, meaning it works in the background, and after it's done, it will basically send you an email saying, "Hey, your request is completed with a ready to you with a new spreadsheet URL," and yeah, you'll get based on your request, you will get the setup uh, the set it up spreadsheet. For me, I already have the spreadsheet. So basically, for new users, there will be an additional step where Hopted would ask you for to connect your Amazon's account, right? That's obviously something that we've missed out, but I've already set it up, so that's why the steps, the flow, haven't asked me for
Hmm.
that.
Hmm. Hmm.
Make sense?
Yeah, at some point we'll have to go and then
So
authorize Hopted will get usually like some code, right? Which we put inside the Seller Central, kind of the basic process for authorizing software, right? Uh,
yeah, correct, correct.
mhm.
So yeah, that was solved with AI.